The impact of artificial intelligence on individuals, organisations and society continues to be hotly debated. According to our Global Tech Survey, 57% of business leaders believe AI will help them achieve their business goals over the next 3 years. Yet most organisations still have many unanswered questions about how to prioritise AI transformation in the right areas. LLM technology has genuinely transformative potential for 2 reasons. Firstly, it can have a massive impact on productivity. As well as being able to produce new content, large language models are able to search and summarize content more effectively than any technology previously. Secondly, LLM technology allows non-technical users to interact with AI in a very user-accessible way using natural language. But along with the hype, there's been plenty of attention on the limitations of generative AI. It's prone to errors and to hallucinations, making answers up to fill in the gaps between legitimate content. The other risk that's been well publicized is data privacy. When you're sharing data with tools like ChatGPT, you're giving data away to a third party, and they might use that to train the model, and in theory that content may be available to other users of the platform. The technology's applications stem from 4 broad categories. Firstly, content generation. For tax teams, this could be creating research memos, summaries of technical positions, and aiding in complex decision-making process where extensive document review is required. Secondly, information review. Because generative AI has the capability of analyzing large amounts of text and rapidly distilling the essential information, it can be used as a fact-checking process when combined with other technologies to identify discrepancies in documentation that might be relevant from a tax perspective. Third, smart conversation or smart chatbots. Until now, chatbots have been relatively clunky. It's pretty obvious generally when you're interacting with a chatbot. An LLM-powered virtual assistant will feel a lot more human. And finally, code generation. Generative AI will transform tax teams' abilities to interact with data. This would allow you to interact with a database without having to write a single piece of code yourself, simply using natural language queries. You should be thinking about how generative AI can make your tax function more effective. Start by asking yourself the following questions. Does your organization have a set position on the use of generative AI? What are the risks and opportunities you see in generative AI for the business as well as for the tax function? How can generative AI help the tax function play a more strategic role in your business and add greater value to it? KPMG's tax technology experts can help you think through these questions and understand the possibilities that generative AI offers. Please get in touch to see how we can bring the power of generative AI to your tax function.